Is that your style? Come on in, welcome to my home. Let's talk about your style. Is that your style? Are you not ultra modern? What do you mean your house isn't completely white with everything in white and off-color neutrals? No, if it's not, it's okay. Completely okay. There is nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing, in this world that says you have to have a certain style for your house. You notice I said your house. Your house needs to be your house. I talked about this before in my video about chasing trends and chasing styles. It's your style, it's your house. Go ahead and have it be whatever you want it to be. I have lots and lots of friends who love ultra modern. You know, that clean, crisp, minimalist, I only have a spork kind of look. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. In fact, I find that to be really cold and really, I just can't do it. And people who come into my house are like, oh wow, you just have so much stuff, I couldn't live with it. And it's just like, oh, okay, that's fine. You really don't have to live with it because this is my style. This is what I like. I like to be surrounded by the things that I like. I'm sort of weird that way. But do you like to be surrounded by the things that you like? Or do you like that minimalist, very clean and crisp? Does that make you happy? For me, it makes me feel like I'm in a hospital. No, I don't like being in hospitals, so nope, not going to do that. But for you, it might actually work really well. And if it does, go for it. Enjoy your style, and the other part about that is stand up for your style. Don't let other people tell you that your style is wrong or bad or you're doing it completely wrong or 10 things that you shouldn't have in your house after the age of 30. No. There is no such thing. Have whatever you want in your house that makes you happy because they're not 10 things that you shouldn't have in your house after 30. It is your style. Find it. Enjoy it. Maybe your style is eclectic, which means that you can have whatever you want in your house the way you want it. That's it. It is your style. Defend your style. Defend the right for your style. Well, in fact, you really shouldn't have to defend the right for your style because, well, it is your style. If people don't like your style, that is their choice, not yours. Don't let them bully you into changing it because it's your style. Enjoy it. Own it. Be the person who says, yes, that is my style. I love to have tiki carvings next to industrial furniture. Okay, that's cool. That's great. Whatever you want. But own your style. Hold up for your style. Stand with your style. You might find that once you start defending your style, you can really defend your style. If you need to defend your style, I'd question the people who are questioning your style because what does it matter? They don't have to live there. You are coming home to it. If you are living with somebody else, you're going to have to blend styles. Blending styles can be fun, can be difficult, but you're going to have to blend. So blend the styles together. It might be a little bit difficult, but go ahead. Do not worry about what other people tell you your style should be for a certain age or a certain location or a certain whatever. You enjoy your style, make it your style. If somebody else doesn't like your style, guess what? It's not even any of your business if they don't like your style or not because it doesn't matter. It is your style. You might not like what I have, the decorations that I have. Okay. That's fine. You're really not going to hurt my feelings by not liking my style because, well, it's just that. It is my style. Why do I keep repeating this? Because so many people need to hear that it's okay to have a certain style, even if it's not trendy, even if people tell you, oh, your style's old fogey, it's just horrible. But as long as you like it, that's cool. As long as your house is clean, that's cool. Having a dirty house is not a style. It's just a dirty house. But go with your style. Embrace your style. Be part of your style, but really enjoy it. There is nothing wrong with your style. I want to stress this, and I get this question asked of me a lot. How they can update their style. I'm like, are you happy with your style?
Well, yeah.
Okay. Are there things you want to add to your style?
Yeah.
Well, then just go ahead and add them. Just make sure that it makes you happy. If you're saying,
Well, it's too cluttered.
well, then pare it down. Get rid of the things which make it like it's no longer a part of you or that sort of thing. But don't worry about trying to get your style into some sort of box. Remember the movie The Breakfast Club, where everybody was a brain or a popular or that sort of thing? Well, guess what? We're not like that. We're not shoehorned into anything. Our styles can hit so many different things. It is great. It is wonderful. Enjoy that. Embrace that. Be eclectic. Have every single style is your style. And if you want to change your style out, well, like I do, I change my style out all the time. In fact, as soon as I get done with this video, all of this is going to change so that I can go for, what is it, summer? Summer.
Yeah.
But yeah, enjoy it. Really have fun with it. It is your style. It is your home. Embrace it. Just keep it clean. That's all I ask. Just keep it clean. What about you? Tell me about your style. I want to hear about what you do, what people say to you. Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out these other videos. And if you want to, you can just subscribe to this channel. It'll be so much fun to hear from you and take part of this. And if you have videos that you'd like to see me do, also let me know down in the comments. I hope I get to see you again next time.